Hey guys.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Hi everyone.
All right, make some noise. Make some noise. Let us know you can hear us. Let's do the mic check. Make sure all the technical stuff are up. We good? Okay, we got a thumb up from our staff. Good. Hey guys, welcome to another session of Backstage with Ben or with me. So here with me, I have Marcus from our Web3 team. Marcus, you want to say hi?
Hi everyone. I'm Marcus from the Web3 team. Very glad to be with Ben here today to
All right.
co-host this.
Yes. And also we have Eric and your usual guest, as well as Benny online. All right.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Eric, me again. Let's join the session to share our February updates.
Hello everyone, Benny here, retail trading lead Bybit. Glad to be back here again.
Cool, cool. Yeah, so we are at our 30th session. We've done this 30 times, guys. So thank you for tuning. Again, what is this? Backstage with Ben is really a monthly update on the Bybit product, business update, event, what is going on, what is happening, what's coming up. Giving you that kind of monthly update, yeah. And I think we have a lot of people stay already online. Again, we have a lot of juicy updates, right, Marcus?
Yep. Yeah. Juicy updates. Yep. And it's the first Backstage with Ben of 2025.
Oh yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. So a lot of interesting updates today. Stay tuned, guys. And also, I want to mention as well that towards the end of the live stream, there's also a special episode giveaway. So stay tuned. I will share a bit more later on.
Very good. So as usual, we will follow up. We'll give you some business update. We'll give you some product update. And then, of course, we will do some AMAs from our audience. So shoot your question in our live stream, and then you'll get some prizes as well.
Yep.
Okay, let's get the slides up. So there is quite a bit of update. Let's go to the business side. First thing, yes, we have completed the registration with India. Bybit is coming back into India, so huge news for our Indian users. Previously, Bybit app and the website was made not available, and now we have fully complied and now registered with FIU. So Bybit app and the website will be fully resumed very soon back in India. So I think that's huge news.
Huge market.
Yeah. Also, we've had our biggest trading volume day, 100. Wow, good number, 111 billion in one day. Okay, just you guys give you some comparison. These are some of the daily trading volume on a daily basis compared to Nasdaq or Shanghai Stock Exchange. Just to kind of give you a feeling, guys, how big we are now in not Bybit but crypto. I think,
We're
right?
catching up.
Yeah, so this is only Bybit. So imagine you add all the other exchange, we are for sure bigger than all these other markets, right? So crypto is definitely gaining, and so is Bybit. So thank you for your support. Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Next is huge news. Yes, we previously had the crypto arc in Dubai, our global headquarters. We have a massive office. So for the clients you don't know, Bybit have a open office policy. We have office in Singapore, in Dubai, in Netherlands. That's fully open. You can come visit us. So the Dubai part, each office we have this crypto arc thing, where you have educator, you have trader, we have influencers that comes to the office and do like seminars, webinars, and even trading sessions. And then kind of when they run into issues, just grab our product manager, give you those feedbacks, right? So we've expanded the crypto arc in Dubai, because previously we always have like 20 to 30 people. Now we can fit about 50 people, I think, with kind of this row of table where you can sit and you can understand what's going on. So yeah, launched in earlier this month, and now welcoming you. Please stay tuned if you're in Dubai. It's definitely one of the hottest spots in crypto. I think everyone comes, kind of takes a photo when they arrive to Dubai.
Amazing scenery. I think Slogan 2049 is in Dubai and Singapore, so that's a really hot spot. You can see the photo as well. It's like classroom, right?
Yeah.
Want to educate people. I think it's a whole vibe, right? Educational vibe to bridge Web 2 and Web 3 together.
One of our users, starting with B22, is asking if we have any partnership in India. Yes, we do. We work with a few partners in India. I think some of the local exchanges. I'm gonna step this way, so I'm gonna be more in the middle. Yeah, I'm stepping out. Okay. Yeah, so I think we work with some of the local exchanges by providing them liquidity, some product. But with the registration, we'll be connected to local banks, making transfers easier and more efficient. Okay, next page. Yes, product updates, guys. One of the biggest product updates is we have published the Bybit listing billboard.
Yeah.
This is one of the first in the industry. What it is after a project has been listed on Bybit, just like listing on a stock exchange, you would expect the company to give you a transparent quarterly statement of how the project is doing on different dynamics, the number of users, the core finances, token metrics, on-chain activities, in exchange activities, and all the kind of the risk exposure and all of that. So we have managed to launch the first one, as you can see on the screen. But I want Eric, can you give me a quick demo so we can show everyone what it looks like?
Yeah, sure. On any page,
demo.
Yeah, sure. On any page, you scroll down, and you will find the announcement. So here you come to our announcement center. So on the content list, at the bottom, the listing billboard. So now we want to have social, and we're adding one more. You click on it. So all the information you are interested.
Why don't you zoom in a little bit? Why don't you zoom in a little bit so people can see what it looks like? Yeah.
Sure.
Here we go. So you can see the 1 month post listing data, 1 month pre-listing data, and then kind of scroll that way a little bit, and then the kind of the percentage change, right? So go to the right. So this is kind of the initial template that we made: projected revenue, treasury income, token supplies, token metrics, basically all the good information that you need to know as an investor. On the project you invested, what's going on? This is the industry first. Now, we really thank Social Value for helping us to come up with the first version of this. By the way, we received numerous positive feedback. Especially now, this is not compulsory. We are doing this for any project that's voluntarily want to give us this information. But of course, as an investor or our trader, this gives you huge confidence.
Yeah.
Right? So after this report was listed, I think Social Value price went up like 30% or something, right? Yeah. It gives a lot of confidence. So now other projects who want to go transparent will join this kind of a new revolution, I guess. Giving transparent data to users, and we are inviting really more and more projects. And currently, this product is sitting in announcement, but we are building it more robust, and we're going to put it somewhere better. But if you want to find out now, it's at the announced page where Eric showed you. But not only this, I want to show something else. We are also made our liquidation data fully transparent. I'm not sure if there's a slice about it. I don't know. Maybe my team can. Is there a slice about that or no? We don't have it. Yeah. So if we don't have it, okay. Maybe if you guys go to the Twitter on my profile, I've announced it that since the kind of the Trump day. No, what was it? Trump? That big liquidation day?
February 2nd or 3rd, if I'm not wrong.
Oh no, yeah, it was after Trump, right?
Trump, yeah.
It was a huge day that the Bitcoin dumped, right?
Yeah.
So maybe Eric, you can go to our Twitter, just quickly show them my Twitter profile. Do you have my Twitter profile? Maybe you don't know. I hope you have. Yeah, I hope you have. Okay, yeah. We have made it clear that that day, because I know all the exchanges liquidation data is a bit of limited. When we first designed it, we initially made it fully available. But because the platform was growing so fast, we have made it that we only push out 10 feeds or whatever per second, so that it doesn't reflect the full liquidation data. Now, this is an industry practice. All the other exchanges does the same, right? But recently, with that big dump, everyone thinks that in that one day there's overall how many billions of liquidation. But in reality, there was more. So in that day, I promised our clients that Bybit from now on will start to publish the full data, and that's what we did. So since about 2 days ago, our API have updated, and now you can see the full liquidation data of Bybit. So any CoinGlass or any Twitter bot or Telegram bot can grab that data and use it. And so now you see that the full liquidation data on Bybit. Okay, this was, I think, published somewhere on the API doc. Eric, if you can find it. If not, it's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Eric, your screen is missing. Maybe someone share his screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing the Twitter.
There it is.
Okay,
Yeah.
you go down.
Go down,
There's
okay.
something about go down. There's something about this one.
Yeah.
See, so you click on that CoinGlass tweet. You click on that. No, that's my previous tweet. Go back.
Go back. Okay.
Yeah. You see there's a link. The link there. So you can click on that. So now Bybit pushes full liquidation data, right? Through the WebSocket, all of the liquidation. So guys, put that into the slide later, yeah? Okay, good. Let's go back to the slide. This is just extra information. Okay. All right, let's go back to the slide. Cool. All right, so we invite more. We're expecting more projects will join us. Okay, and stay tuned for that. So, First of many. Thank you, Susan Value. Okay, good. Next.
Ooh, Bybit card.
Bybit card. What do you want to talk about this? Yeah.
Okay. Right, Bybit card. So we have many new features for Bybit card. I think the first most important one as well is that physical cards are now available for users in Brazil.
Oh, nice.
So previously, right now, you couldn't have carry a card by itself. All right, now you can flash your fancy Bybit card anywhere in Brazil, right? And secondly, Google Pay is also now available for all card users.
All global users.
Correct.
Whether you are Australia, Kazakhstan, whatever, all global users.
Exactly.
Okay,
so
good.
we recognize the demand for Google Pay, which is why we expanded it to all card users.
Good.
And then thirdly, we have AVEX cashback as well. So it's a new cashback option enabled for users. And for those who do not know, AVEX is actually one of the largest POS staking protocols as well out there. Huge demand for AVEX, which is why we hear you, and we had this cashback implemented.
Good. But again, guys, I know some of you love physical card, but really we're in a cashless kind of a world. Even with the virtual card, you can just bond it to your Google, Apple Pay, and pretty much you can use it globally, right? All right, next. Okay, so Bybit Pay. Yes, this is something even bigger, right?
Yeah.
So on top of the card, we launched Bybit Pay. So what does it mean is that we have vendors that support Bybit Pay. That means everything is happening within the Bybit ecosystem. So you go online, you'll see some merchant, especially Brazil. Brazil is our first trial country. We have many local vendors on the coffee shops, on the street, taxi, online purchasing platforms, shopping platforms, where you will see Bybit Pay logo. With Bybit Pay logo, all you need is to scan with the Bybit app, and then you can just make the payments, right? Also, with Bybit Pay, you can do friend-to-friend transfer. So if I want to give you $100, I just give you a scan and then transfer down.
Very easy.
Yes.
Simple.
So we now support quite a bit in Bybit Pay in Brazil. So if you're from Brazil, I think this is a really good tool. Okay. Yeah.
On-chain earn. Okay.
Yeah, so Onchain Earn is now new staking opportunities available. This is a huge ask from a lot of the clients. Previously, Bybit Earn was mostly off-chain, meaning that we provide that yield through different staking opportunities. But now you can stake Tone and Atom with Bybit, which we kind of transfer your asset on-chain to give you that yield. That makes your life much easier. You don't need to leave Bybit ecosystem.
Yeah.
You just leave your money, click on it, and then it goes on chain, and you can enjoy the same yield.
Yeah, and in fact, I think right now there's a Ton campaign, so it's being boosted up to I think 20% bonus API, which is the industry's leading Ton APY currently right now, because the base API is about 4%.
Yeah.
But we are giving a limited campaign for users who participate in this product, up to 20% bonus API.
Yeah, very good. One of the user feedback asking, one of our staff clients is asking, can the billboard listing be integrated with AI? So this is from Sultan Saya 123. Can the billboard listing be integrated with AI so that user can further explore and analyze it? Yes, of course. This is, I think, something we can explore further. However, Bybit offers a crypto lens under the TradeGPT. If you type in the project, it gives you a quick analysis, right? This one will be fully integrated to social value again and upgraded, even more information, kind of AI capabilities, so you can analyze the projects you want to understand or purchase, whatever. So this upgrade is coming in. Do you know when it's coming in on the crypto lens? Maybe by end of this month. I think end of this month.
Yeah.
So by the next AMA, you see it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Next. Okay. Now you want to talk about this? Yeah.
Yeah. So we have a new Gold&FX demo trading, which is now live. So it's a new feature, right? I mean, users can now create their MT5 demo accounts directly within the Bybit app, right? You don't have to go to anywhere. All you have to do is come to the Bybit app and web for you to create an account, and immediately you can start doing demo trading for gold and Forex.
Yeah. So how it works is you create this demo account, and then you have the demo account login, and then you go to the MT5. You log in a demo server and to simulate your trading experiences. Okay.
Yeah.
One of the clients is asking, hi Ben, Bybit is the only exchange I saw where you can trade gold. How is that so? Thanks. Now, first of all, I hope you like it. We actually spent, I would say, 2 to 3 years working on this to make sure we can get this down, right? It requires a few steps: full integration to MT5, and then including getting a license, getting the license from MT5, also the license for CFD trading, as well as the liquidity. A lot of kind of backend work. So it took about 2 years. But now it's fully available. So I hope you enjoy that. And again, yes, Bybit is the only place you can trade gold and Forex using crypto. Okay, this is very unique.
Yeah.
Most other brokers, you have to deposit fiat and then trade whatever, right? So Bybit is different. And with the gold price really going up recently, I think a lot of clients do enjoy that product. Okay, next. So on top of what we just talked about, we want to give our users who don't know how to trade gold and Forex a capability to get advantage and kind of earn with the people who know how to trade. So how we made it happen is now gold and Forex is available on copy trading. Eric, give me the demo. Yeah, let's show everyone. So
Okay, let's see how can we locate to the copy trading gold.
Before you go there, I want to say, yeah, so you can do it. If you want to trade gold and Forex yourself, you have to download MT5 and create an MT5 account within Bybit. But if you simply want to copy someone, you don't need to do any of it. You just click and copy, and this is how Eric is going to show you. Okay? Yeah.
Right, from the drop-down bar, so tools, copy trading, and you will find the copy trading Gold&FX with the new tab. And when you come here, as our followers, you may feel familiar with this page because we tried our best to make this experience as same as copy trading classic, so that it's easy for you to get a quick start. And the same thing for our followers, you can pick the masters from the leaderboard, top out E, highest follow profit, or top balance traders ranking. Or you can
click on one guy. Let me see what is trading. Yeah, click on one guy.
Let's see this guy. Okay, so all the indicators and the performance chart show together.
Go to the trade. Let me see what he traded. What did he trade? Okay. So this guy traded gold. For those who don't know, XAU means gold in Forex. So yeah, it's funny. Why is it called XAU? But I don't know. You didn't know that?
I didn't know that.
Okay, you thought you maybe think is what kind of pair is this? Forex, crazy exotic.
I would probably use this product if I don't know. It's a copy
trade. No, you don't need to know, right? Yeah. Essentially, you don't. But this guy is trading gold, so this is how he made the money, right? He was shorting gold basically. No, he shorted and then he long gold, yes, and then he made some money. And as a follower, all you need to do is just follow, right?
Right. So you copy.
All right. So now it's available, guys. Have fun. Okay, let's go back to the slide. Yeah, another update to the option market. It's a long kind of demanded feature that more clients want USDT based option. So we are transitioning from USDC to USDT, and then with USDT, it will go perfectly with our USDT linear contract with the liquidity, so that we predict that the USDT option will be a lot more liquid, as well as a lot more popular with institutions. So do check it out. This one is coming in very soon. Okay. Yeah. All right. So I want to give the floor to, I think Benny you are kind of in charge of this slide. Benny will give you the update on the trading platform. Yeah, you are muted.
Yeah.
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, hi. Thanks again. Thanks, Ben. Hi, everyone. I'm Benny here, retail trading lead of Bybit. Today, I'm excited to give you an update of the latest of our trading platform developments. To quickly recap, the past few months, we were focused on giving our users increased flexibility to customize their trading UI, as well as merging all your personal spot futures options data on the GUI itself. Now, in the latest iteration towards a more intuitive interface, we'll be focusing our attention more on improving the mobile spot experience by merging our spot and spot margin trading platforms into one. Now, the image shown here is our spot trading page on our mobile app. Now, if you look closely, you observe a new toggle above the buy-sell selector. This allows traders to toggle between spot and spot margin with a click of a button. Now, there are several reasons for this new design change. First, for our new users, this reduces the uncertainty, as having separate entrances may give them the impression that there are different order books, matching engines, and wallet systems. Now, but this is not the case, right? If a spot margin trader trades at 1x or less leverage, the experience is completely the same as trading your vanilla spot. Now, the matching engine, the liquidity, and wallets, they're all the same source. Other exchanges that have separate entrances may have segregated wallet systems, right? One for spot, one for margin. But for us here at Bybit, our unified trading systems means that all your assets are stored and collateralized in a single wallet. There's no functional need for such a distinction. Now, for our experienced users, there's no longer a need to consider whether or not a symbol supports margin or not. The symbol selector tool on the main trading page does that for you already. It merges both spot and spot margin together. So there's no need for different entrants. The third point, can I have the next slide, please? Great. Okay, as a trader, right, it's apparent that there's a design inconsistency with the absence of post-only, time in force, and the new TPSL and our spot margin. But it's already present in today's vanilla spot. Now, if you are trading API and you also use the GUI, I know that you'll even find this even more peculiar, right, as these features are already present in our API. Now, so in our merge concept, our spot margin traders will have access to all the features that we have on our spot layout. This includes our second generation of TPSL, as you can see here, post only, and time and force. Now, as you can see here, our second generation TPSL, if you haven't used it yet, this minimizes the number of steps needed during your order submission process. For traders that require more detailed parameters, you can still use the legacy system. You can see a basic advanced toggle switch. So that will bring back the old system for you. So whatever your preference is, the interface now is smart enough to remember your preference, and you apply it during your next order submission. Now, with all the new spot redesign next month, we are confident that you'll have a better spot trading experience. And with that, I'll now hand over back to Ben. Thank you for the time.
All right, so let's get some questions. Yeah, maybe Benny, you can take a note. We have one client asking, please give more indicator to candle. I want to know how long the candle in percent, not only the change in percent between opening price and the closing price. Okay, so let's take that note. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, one feedback is to add more checks on the TradeGPT. Actually, maybe we could do that. Yeah, I think TradeGPT was kind of based on ChatGPT, which was expensive. But now if you use DeepSeek, it's free. so you can have unlimited. But yeah, we'll definitely take it back and get back to you. Okay. Okay. Next, let's go to the next slide. Yeah, you want to talk about this?
Yeah. So you guys are familiar with our launch pool product. And in fact, we do see demand for lots of VIPs to participate in our launch pools, which is why we actually have a new launch pool VIP perk, which is to increase the staking caps. So previously, for your USDT pool, you would have a cap of 2,000 USDT, but now we increase it by about 50%, which means VIPs can now deposit 3,000 USDT. For MNT, well, this is a huge increase in the new staking cap, right? Previously it was 5,000 MNT, but now it's 20,000 MNT, which is around 300% increase, which means more opportunities for you to farm your projects, through launch pool, especially for VIPs.
Yeah, get your MNT basically.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, good. This is a good feature. A lot of people have been asking, especially the VIPs. All right, next. So next one is AML bot, guys. We've gotten a lot of feedback on clients trying to understand the AML process, especially through a lot of times you run into EDD, which is called enhanced due diligence. Of course, we are making this whole process smoother. Actually, the EDD process has changed from email-based to a product, meaning that previously we'll send you an email, you have to reply the email to finish EDD, but now everything is conducted within the Bybit app. So you get an email, but then you log in, and then you do everything, which is much easier. But before, if you want to avoid yourself entering into an EDD process, a lot of them is triggered because the wallet address you are trying to deposit or withdraw is contaminated. So we give you now a tool to check if this address is contaminated or not. Right? So with this bot, you can actually input those addresses, and with your VIP level, you get different shots, right? And basically, you can check to avoid unnecessary EDDs, right? Okay.
Which saves a lot of time.
Saves a lot of time. Yeah. Yes. Okay. All right. Cool. Next. Okay. So yeah, and also this is on top of the AML is KYC. Now you can check your status KYC or where you're stuck, where you are on the Bybit Live chat bot, right? So you can get your account registration detail instantly. You can check on where it is. And a lot of times you take a photo of your KYC or AML, and you don't know after a few hours. You go to the chat support to ask. Now you can ask the bot, and the bot will tell you exactly where you are to improve this whole process. Yeah. Okay. Next. Yeah, I want to talk about this.
Yes, I'm really excited to unveil the Bybit Web3 TG mini wallet, which is now live. So what we actually did is to integrate the mini wallet directly into Telegram. Now, why do we want to do this? Because we see a lot of demand. There's a lot of users on Telegram, right? In fact, our Telegram bot is one of the highest Telegram bots out there. We have like hundreds of thousands of monthly users. So with this new integration, like what does it mean for you as a user, right? So with this new integration, you get access to over 30 plus networks, right? Including EVM, including especially for Ton, with Sol and other non-EVM chains coming soon, right? As you can see, recently there's a lot of new test nets, a lot of new layer ones. So these are in the pipeline as well. If you guys have any new L1s that you guys wish to integrate with the TG mini wallet, feel free to do so, and as well feedback to us as well. And currently, right now, to show you how much demand we have already with the TG mini wallet, we have over 188,000 wallets connected in just 1 month, and we are growing rapidly, right? So all you have to do is to create and import your seed phrase wallet into your Telegram mini wallet. It's as simple as that, right? Simple, fast integration. And with that, you are already able to participate in the TG bots, many campaigns, right? I believe, previously we also mentioned about FarmX for those of you who are familiar with the TG wallet, right? Especially for users who have Ton in their wallet, they can deposit Ton to farm even more. If you don't have Ton as well, you can also farm points, right? I think points are one of the biggest attractive points as well for SpaceX as well, right? With the TG mini wallet right now, you can do everything all within just one platform. So do try it out. We have the link here on the screen, and with the UI as well. if you have any feedback as well, feel free to let us know. We are continually improving this TG Mini Wallet product. Okay, so I'll be sharing some of the campaign and event updates as well. So I think first up, we have is the global campaign. So this is a major event in February, right? So we are playing around with the idea of crypto zodiacs, right? To allow you to trade your destiny. I think that's a really, really cool tagline. So if you can see it, every one of you probably has a horoscope, right? I mean, definitely for sure, right? You guys are related to a horoscope, right? So what does this mean for users, right, who participate in this campaign, right? We have a 1 million USDT luxury total prize pool, right? This is a huge sum of money for users to be able to win from. At the same time as well, this includes a daily 5,000 USDT giveaway to the top 30 traders, right? So ultimately, we still would look at your trading volume as well. But if you're a new user, right, we have an exclusive perk for you. All you have to do is to register and trade just $100 to win up to 20 USD, just 100 for 20 USDT. So you can calculate the kind of P&L that you would get and the APR that we get from just trading $100, right? So in total, we have around 4 leaderboards, right? All you have to do is just to trade for a chance to rank, and then you can share the greater prize pool of 1 million, right? And at the same time as well, we do have mystery boxes as well. All you have to do is to complete simple tasks and obtain mystery boxes. So this is a full campaign, global campaign that's going on in February. Yeah. Next. Yes, so this is very exciting. I wanted to share this with you guys as well for the longest time. It's something that we've been preparing. It's Bybit's first CDeFi AI Dole Superstar campaign, right? So as the name suggests, it bridges CeFi and DeFi as well, but with a bit of a twist, right? So right now we are using AI projects, right? So what does this mean for you, right? So if you guys are familiar with WSOT DEX Wave, right? Previously we had the point system, we had the voting system, sorry. Right now we actually upgraded this point system because we seen a huge success with the WSOT DEX Wave. So right now in this upcoming campaign, you can also vote for your favorite AI Dole projects to debut on Bybit Spot, right? So if you are part of the community, of an AI project community, and you really, really want this project to get listed on Bybit Spot, right? All you have to do is to participate in this CDeFi AI Dole Superstar campaign. And likewise as well, in the previous campaign, there's also a 1 million in daily and grand draw. And this is happening when? This is happening in late February, February 28 to March 27, a total of 1 month for you to vote for the AI projects that you support, right? So very exciting for this. Do follow our socials as well. We'll keep updates as well, especially when it's nearing the start of the campaign. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, so for VIP members, right, for the VIP team, these are the few campaigns that we have. Previously, we talked about the launch pool perks. Right now, we have existing and upcoming lucky draw and campaigns as well. So firstly, we do have the VIP weekly lucky draw. Now, this is happening every week, right? So what does this mean for VIPs, right? You can win up to 8,888 in hot tokens every week, which is a very nice number, really big sum as well if you think about it. And VIPs can also get up to 3 chances every week by just registering, right? So this is just one of the 2 VIP campaigns right now. And I think the next one is even more exciting, right? It's the Trade Masters Grand Prix 2025 Series 1. And just to give a bit of context as well, in the last year, we had 7 rounds, right, of Trade Masters, right? And we're bringing this back due to huge demand. We received positive feedback from you guys, which is why we wanted to bring back this elite trading competition specifically for VIPs. So likewise as well, as you can see, most of our prize pools are around similar size, which is a really attractive 1 million USDT. So all you have to do is to compete for this 1 million USDT in trading volume and profit and loss percentage to be part of this, to earn from this prize pool, right? Only the best traders can win this, right? So this is something that it's going to be starting really, really soon, or rather, it has already started. It will last till March 11, and it's just the first of many Grand Prix series as well.
Yeah, this was a huge competition. I've met some of the winners of the Grand Prix last year, and I think we give some really good rewards. I think we took them out to some gala events. It was really nice.
Yeah. Wow, that makes me want to join.
All right, cool. Yeah, thanks, Marcus, for all the good update on the campaigns. I think let's go to the AMA. But before that, maybe there's some special giveaway. Yeah.
Yes, as I was mentioning at the start of the live stream, we have 2 giveaways, right? The first is you can trade to win red packets, just as simple as that. But it's a first come, first serve basis. So all you have to do is to trade at least $100 within 7 days and get your trading bonus. Very simple, very easy, just $100 only. And just to get a bit of FOMO coming along, there are only limited slots available for this, yeah? And for the second one, if you're asking Ben a question in the live chat right now, 20 winners will be selected to receive $10 in P2P coupons each. So yes, do ask Ben questions right now.
Okay, let's pull out the questions, some of the feedback, some of the questions. One is asking, will the copy trading expand beyond gold and forex? Yes, but currently, of course, I think assuming this client is talking about other CFDs, which is like the Nasdaq, the oil, the silver, this type. I think give us your request and we can try to add it. It's not difficult to add those things in.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, yeah, this is a good question. Crypto Cloud asking, I've noticed that UTA account burns through money and the balance can be negative from trading losses and holding positions open even when in profit. Why is it happening and how can we deal with this UTA balance going to negative from losses and opening positions? Yeah, so the UTA is unified. It's a good question. It's a unified trading account. This is a complex question. Your balance could go negative even if you don't do anything because it's measured in USDT. So if you are using, let's say, Bitcoin as you're depositing Bitcoin or any altcoin into Bybit and use that as trading, even if you don't do anything, that your Bitcoin drops in value, then the USDT amount, the USD amount drops. Now, it makes it more complicated if you have an open position because your open position might be in a profit. But if the profit is smaller than your actual asset collateral dropping, then you will see a negative. So I hope you see that. But that's the beauty of UTA is that it allows you to do this. You can use altcoin to trade to make profit while if even the collateral is dropping. But if you want to avoid this and it's too complicated for you, you can open a sub account and change your UTA into an isolated model. If it's isolated, it means your overall balance will stay the same, right? But then you won't be able to use altcoin to trade, something like that. So there's always a give and take, right? Yeah. So I hope that kind of explained. But if you got more questions, you can go to our support and maybe leave more comment and we'll get back to you. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. When will Bybit launch fiat token for each country? Basically fiat pairs. We currently have, I think, 5 fiat pairs. Crypto to euro, crypto to Turkish lira, crypto to Brazil currency, and then to some maybe some other ones. Do you know? Remember? You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think there's 2 more, but we can definitely add. It depends on which country you're talking about. So give us that feedback. Yeah, and depends on liquidity. The beauty of getting the fiat in your balance is that then you can directly withdraw that balance into your account, right? It's much easier. Okay. All right. Okay. Maybe this is a question to Eric. Eric is the product manager for copy trading. I have a client, Eric, asking, will it be possible to put a limitation or sanction on grid and similar algorithm in gold and forex copy trading, just like the crypto copy trades? Do you know what it means?
Yeah, I guess he want to have the grid board for the copy trading Gold&FX, right? Because our classic copy trading already support the futures grid board, and he wants to have the futures grid board on copy trading Gold&FX, right?
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's his feedback, Eric. Yeah. Maybe we can look into it. Or we cannot hear you anymore.
He's on mute.
I don't know who needs to be muted. I mean, our staff needs to figure this out. Yeah. Yeah. So I think Eric got the message. Yeah. Go ahead. So I think he's asking if we can do similar grid bot on Gold and Forex.
Sure, we'll do a research on it and to see if it's possible and feasible to make it available on the computing Gold&FX.
Okay, good. All right, next, let's scroll down the questions so I can see them. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, good question. One client is asking, if I buy gold here, can I receive the physical gold, or is it just an investment? You're right. It's only investment. It's called a CFD. It's called a contract of difference. No, what is it called? Contract of difference. Yeah, CFD. So it's not a real physical gold. You're just trading the price movement of gold and kind of make a profit or loss on those predictions. Okay, so there's no physical gold. Oh yeah, Crypto Mike is saying funding rates needs to be addressed. They're too much. Okay, now this is something we're looking into. One of the big reasons is that we need more funding arbitrage institutions on Bybit. So we are onboarding a lot of these guys, basically basis trading. Once these guys, the algorithm is up, then the funding fee will be much less aggressive. Currently, we understand it is quite aggressive compared to other exchange. Yeah, so definitely we're noting that down and looking into it. Okay. Go down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Asking of a lot of volatility. Who's this? Bill Tabli. Given the volatility of gold and forex market, what risk management measurement do we have to prevent excess loss for copy trading followers? Well, first of all, I acknowledge the volatility of gold forex, but we can also need to understand that crypto is not exactly less volatile. I think we are whether use crypto or forex in our copy trading, we have the tools for stop loss and also take profit. So do use those measurements to manage your investment. Okay. All right. Let's pick one last one. Will you add more staking options and higher interest? Yes. So this is from a VIP client. We are adding more on-chain staking, especially. The team is really focusing on on-chain staking right now because a lot of the on-chain staking opportunity is good. So we're going to present you with more of that. But if you're VIP, we recently came up with a private wealth management product. Okay. What this is let's say if you have 2 million or above free cash sitting there, our earn or kind of a private investment team will reach out to you, give you a call, understand what you need. Let's say you say, okay, I have this money that's available, 30% of it for 3 months, 50% of it is this. Oh, I prefer Bitcoin, I prefer stablecoin, whatever. Give them your requirement. They will come back with an investment portfolio. Once you agree to it, they will send that portfolio into our app. You open the app, you will see that portfolio nicely structured with the percentage and the things you want, predicted APY. You click on accept, and they will be deployed. So this is one of the first, again, we're not here to demo it today, but we're going to demo it next time for sure. Okay? So stay tuned on that. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching another session of Backstage with me. I will see you next month in February, one of the Fridays, or actually March. Sorry, this is Friday. Yeah, March. Okay. So thank you, guys. I will see you again.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.